What's going on, guys? Your boy iSpArDa back with a brand new video. First things first, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification button, and please share with your friends and family. And I hope everyone's being safe, staying home, and all that good stuff. And I greatly appreciate that. Guys, the DJI Mavic Mini, and this thing is awesome, and I can't really have no complaints about it. The foldability is incredible for this thing, and I recently did a couple of videos on it in the snow, and I did an unboxing for it, but I'll leave the description below for this specific drone and links so you could check out more of the videos on it. But this thing is awesome, and I'm not gonna lie, I crashed it. Yes, I did. Crashed about a couple of months ago, but it still works. Everything still works. And a couple of dents here, there's one here, there, a couple of scratches here, and there's a scratch over here on the side, and even behind it on the butt of the drone. But everything still works. Shoots 12 megapixel camera, shoots 1080p, 25 frames, 30 frames, 60 frames, and it's still going, still good. It has a micro SD card back here, as you guys can see. You can put a micro SD card here as big as you want, and it's great. And the only thing that I do not like, the biggest con I do not like, there's no sensors. Well, there is sensors, but there's these right here. This helps stabilize the drone, so make sure that it hovers nice and even. Make sure that it gives you a precise position where the drone is exactly at, especially using the controller. The controller comes with the drone, so basically this is a $400 package. This drone comes, the drone itself, and then the controller. The controller is easy to use, real easy, and reliable, just like the drone. The joystick unscrew like this, and you can screw it back on just like this. And to unscrew it, you just put it right here, and you can hide both screws inside the controller itself, which is great. And to fly the drone, you need to download the DJI Fly app. That's the only way you can operate the drone with that specific app. So this way, you have full access of capabilities what you could do with the drone. And that's pretty much the control. You got the record button up top, and you got the photo capture up top here, and then you got the tilt action of the drone. So that button tilts the gimbal here in the front. Give you an idea. That's the gimbal. And I pretty much cracked the screen when I crashed it, but it still works. Everything still works. It shoots clear videos, and it's great. And the fact that it's so small, it's so freaking small, you can easily put it in your pocket here. Close it up real quick. Bang, bang. Boom. There you go. Put the controller in this pocket. You got the drone in this pocket. Come on. You can't really complain. Can't really complain. But I'm gonna set the drone up, and I'm gonna get in the air real quick. Okay, so I got the drone up and running. Everything is good. So, I was mentioning how comparing a $40 drone to a $400 drone. Well, this is the video quality again. Look at that. Woo, look at that guy. Look at that. Look at this handsome guy. Anyways, that is the quality you're getting, and this is pretty much where you're gonna get. And the video quality of the resolution of shooting in 1080p is great, especially if you want to do a YouTube video, or you just want to do some videos of you and your friends goofing off and stuff like that. So this will be the best thing to start you off with. It's still, the stability is there, and it could take some good winds, the gust of winds. And obviously the recently one I had, the Gruss $40 drone, this goes even higher. I'm about to take it to about, I would say, 20, 30. I'm gonna leave it there as that. Boom. 30 meters. So look, and it's slight windy out here, and it could do it. I'm gonna bring it back down. Bring it down, look around. That's me right there. And it's great. So the only cons I don't like too much, the fact that it doesn't have sensors, but it's okay. The fact that it doesn't have sensors is fine. This way you could physically control the phone and judge how far it is from an object to get an idea, like, oh, should I get too close, not too close. So it trains you for a better way to understand like how the feeling of the drone can be. So, and it's great. And I love the DJI series, and I love the Mavic Mini is definitely one of my favorite drones. Now, shooting professional wise, I don't suggest it because it doesn't have the type of capability of a Mavic 2 or a Phantom. But this is definitely like I said before, the best beginner drone you can get. And do a recent update video like I wanted to, fly it around. Bugs out here. It's the best to kill flies, and swap some flies around. There's a lot of bugs in the area, and it could definitely do that. Definitely kill a couple of bugs here and there. And with this, there's different modes here. Look, you see where it says mode here? You tap on it. That's sport mode. So it's in sport mode right now. Go up and down really fast. Up. It does that. Moves. Look how quick. That's sport mode. Back, forth, back, and forth. This thing moves. That's sport mode. That is sport mode. And change to a different mode. We have here smooth mode. So basically this mode slows the drone down, especially if you're doing some videos, doing a little walk arounds, do a little like getting tight areas. You could like move the drone really slow, especially when you're slowly putting pressure on the stick. It goes by how much pressure you use on your thumb on the joystick, and it goes as smooth as possible. Actually, obviously, the lighter you go, the less pressure you put on the joystick, the slower the drone goes. So that makes, it's common sense type of stuff. But yeah, this is the Mavic Mini, guys.